All right, hey everybody, welcome to another awesome equipment demonstration from us here at RAM Manufacturing Equipment in Corona, California. And today I'm beyond excited for two main reasons. One is today we're going to showcase the brand new RAM SHF Industrial Frozen Meat Slicer. This thing is a beast. The second reason is that we have Jordan Tuller joining us today. He's our senior service technician here at RAM, and he goes all over the country servicing all of our customers' equipment, and he'll be showing us how some of the unit operates today. So I have my notes with me. We have a lot to cover, so buckle up. It'll be fun. So right off the bat, we want to talk about how this is a frozen meat slicer. So it'll work with tempered product as well too. But a lot of other equipment says that it's for frozen product because it goes down to as low as 28 degrees. The RAM SHF 440 starts at as low as 16 degrees Fahrenheit and goes up to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. So bringing in frozen product and being able to cut and go is huge for the efficiency of your operations. You don't have to bring things up to 28 degrees or 32 degrees to be able to cut and go. So it's a huge time saving right off the bat. Now, this unit works amazing for things like bologna, shabu shabu, beef brisket, sausage, or any other form of compressed meat, sirloins, other steaks, even duck, cheese, even potatoes, etc., etc., etc. Now, because this cuts so thin, right? So it'll go as low as about 0.5 millimeters, and we'll go all up to 30 millimeters. You get that really nice, the thinner side, you get that really nice frozen curled product on the end, which is super cool. But let's talk about how thin and thick it can cut first. So this unit here has actually been customized. So we said 30 millimeters. Well, that's about 1.25 inches thick. This unit here will go all the way up to 100 millimeters, which is a little bit closer to about 2 3/4 inches, right? So this one has been customized to be a little bit more versatile. Also, on the thinness, the specs on this unit we have that it will cut as thin as 0.5 millimeters. However, the settings on this will go down to as low as 0.1 millimeters. Now, why do our specs not have it go down to 0.1 millimeters, right? Because at a certain level of thinness, it's hard to guarantee the consistency of the cut, right, repeatedly over and over and over again. I mean, we're talking super thin, where you can see through it, slices of meat. So that's why the specs will go as low as 0.5 millimeters, which, I mean, from 0.5 millimeters to 30 millimeters, or this one that's been customized to 100 millimeters, that will handle most meat cutting operations. So now, you see Jordan was messing with the touch screen right here. Right? This thing is absolutely the easiest touchscreen to operate. And I'll tell you why. A lot of the other ones have different settings. You have to go into different tabs. You have to go into different layers into the modules. Right? This is super simple. Everything is right here on the main screen. You just simply touch the settings that you want, and then you're ready to go. There's no training that has to get involved. Everything is right here displayed in front of you. So this is the easiest machine to operate. If you're training somebody new, you show it to them once for 2 minutes and they have it, right? All the language, the language, it comes out of the box in English. So that's great as well too. Now, talk about how it gets fed in and fed out real quick. So this has a pneumatic gripper system that will grab the product and feed it forward automatically, right? Then it has a conveyor system will automatically feed out and dump into something like our RAM stainless steel buggies. They come in 400-pound and 600-pound sizes. They've quickly become our #1 selling item here. So that's the great option, what a lot of people use that for. So, sure. All right, so you might be asking yourself, what is the size of the chamber? Will it work with my size of product that I'm doing, right? So I want to jump right into those specs. This will handle product that goes from 17.3 inches wide to 25.6 inches long to 8.6 inches in thickness, right? So pretty good size product can run through this. Now, let's talk about cutting speed. So this will go from about 150 cuts per minute to 320 cuts per minute. So on the slower side, that's when you're going to be using the colder temperature, the frozen product, because you're not going to want to have that blade cut through with such a force. So you'll be slowing you down a little bit for the frozen product, and then you can get up to the 320 cuts per minute on the tempered product. And the way it does that is that it uses a variable speed motor for the knife, right? So that allows it, you can dial in exactly what you're looking to do for your operation, and then it's set it, and then it's there. So it's a really, the versatility of this is absolutely 10 out of 10. All right, so let's just take a minute and talk about some of the maintenance and easy access for cleaning that this unit has. So right off the bat, super easy access to where the blades are for maintenance and for cleaning. This unit pulls back, and it's basically like opening up the hood of your car, but like a million times easier. Everything, the blade's right here, all the parts are right here. It's super, super simple. All right, so let's talk about safety for a second. So this unit here has 3 main areas where there's safety sensors on the doors. So first off, right on the cover, then on this door here, there's a safety sensor, and then here, right here on the back by the conveyor. So unless those safety sensors are closed and engaged, the unit won't operate, so it virtually eliminates anybody to be able to put their hand in there or get injured. Talking real quickly about the gripper system, right? So the gripper system won't engage at all until this unit is completely closed. And you heard it close right there. So once it's closed, the gripper system engaged, and as I mentioned before, this is a pneumatic gripper system, so this unit does require air. I want to make sure that everybody knows that. All right, so let's jump back real quick and talk about some of the convenience features of this machine, because there are a lot. All right, so talking about convenience, there's a nice front panel. Now, a lot of times, these front panels have things like air compressors and motors in them, electrical, and there isn't a lot of room to store anything. This unit here has plenty of room for storage, and as we have here, has plenty of room for an extra blade set that goes, that can go right here, which is super convenient. The back of the system here has openings for, the top one here is for your access to your pneumatics. Below is access for all your electrical, and on the side over here is access for the pneumatic cylinders for the gripper system. These things are just super easy. Untwist it, and you have access. It's that easy. All right, lastly, I want to make sure everybody knows that electrical is important. This uses 220 3-phase power, and this thing overall, in conclusion, is an absolute beast, handling product from 16 degrees Fahrenheit to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Out of the box can handle 0.5 millimeter slices all the way to 30 millimeter slices, and customizable all the way up to 100 millimeter slices. All right, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit the like button or subscribe to us below. It really does make a difference. Also, feel free to click the link below. They'll take you to our website with additional videos of this unit in operation, or give us a call. Our phone number is right down below as well too, and any one of our industry experts can help walk you through your specific application to make sure that this is the right equipment for you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.